Welcome to Gwaan Dancehall with Lex, getting the best of the best and the real. Earlier this week, Konshens said that he will no longer be recording positive music. According to Instagram, he stated that he posted 2 songs 2 weeks ago, one being an official video and the other one just being a single. And the one without the video had more views than the other one. You can check out what he has stated on Instagram right here. Although he has his feelings, we hope that he still continues to make those positive music. Beenie Man will now be relaunching his Sickle Cell Foundation for Jamaica once again. According to his interview on Nightly Fix, he stated that it's not only for sickle cell, but it's also for the youth.
And I read that you're starting your foundation, which is to raise awareness for sickle cell. And so let's talk about that, because you said that you had it decades ago.
Yeah, no, you can't have it. You have to have it. It's not only about sickle cell, it's all about young people too, you know. You understand? It's all about, because there's a lot of young people in Jamaica that have led astray. You know, I am here to make you know that every man, every human being on this earth can live a better life.
Konshens has recently reached 1 million subscribers on Instagram. He's been now around the world, primarily in the Latin community, producing for many artists. Anticipated walk-in trophy by Hood Celebrityy has now debuted. Her song has also reached #1 on the iTunes charts as well. Here's a clip.
My girl, you a walking trophy. Tell your friends I'm a walking trophy. Girl, you know say you're pretty from your body. Walk out like you're not trying hard.
But that is it for Gwaan Dancehall. Tune in next week for more dancehall entertainment.